In this tutorial, you will learn how to publish your website. Open the Publish panel. Publish Current Page button publishes one page at a time. Publish Whole Site button publishes all the pages of the site. When publishing the first time, you are asked to choose a subdomain for your account. Save the subdomain, confirm it, and publish again. If the website doesn't open automatically in a new tab, you might have to allow pop-ups from liquidblox.com domain. Choose Always Allow Pop-ups and click Done. Now when you publish the site, it opens automatically in a new tab. As you can see, the site's name, Vintage Auto Parts and Service, is part of the site's URL. To make the URL shorter, open Page Manager, activate the correct site, and click Mark as Primary Publication. Type in primary with all caps and click OK. Keep in mind that only one site per account can be marked as primary. Publish the whole site again, and you can see that the URL got shorter. There is only the page name after the domain. Now we are publishing with the liquidblox.com subdomain. What if you want to connect your own domain to the site? For this, you need to buy a domain, DNS service that's usually included with the domain, and Pro or Business level LiquidBlox account. Upgrading to Pro or Business is done in the User panel. After upgrading, the Upgrade button turns into Plan/Billing button. Click the Domain button in User panel to connect the domain. Type in the domain name starting with www and click Connect Domain. Open the chat window. Tell us that you're opening your site and you need to get SSL certificate installed. We will get back to you with instructions on how to get your site open.